In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all on Smartsheet. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or just looking to streamline your workflows, effectively selecting all your data is a fundamental skill that can save you time and ensure accuracy in your projects. So let's dive in and explore how this is done efficiently. To begin, our first step is to navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or home. This is where all your projects and sheets are organized. If you're not already at this page, you can access it by logging into Smartsheet and selecting the appropriate workspace from your dashboard. Identifying the correct environment to work within is crucial as it sets the stage for a smooth, uninterrupted workflow. Once you're in your Smartsheet workspace, the next step is opening the specific sheet you want to work on. This is as simple as finding the sheet's name and clicking on it. Sheets in Smartsheet function similarly to spreadsheets in other applications, providing a grid interface where you can manage and analyze your data effectively. Make sure you have the right sheet open, as selecting data on the wrong sheet won't help with your task at hand. Now that you have your desired sheet open, let's move on to selecting columns. If you want to select all the columns in your sheet, you'll need to use your Ctrl key on your keyboard. While holding down the Ctrl key, simply click on each of the columns across your sheet. This action allows you to select multiple columns simultaneously without losing previously selected ones, which provides a more seamless way to manipulate or analyze your data. In addition to selecting columns, you might need to select all the rows available on your sheet as well. To do this, you'll again hold down your Ctrl key. This time your focus should be on the left edges of the rows, right before the row numbers. Click along these edges while holding down Ctrl to ensure each row is selected. This is particularly helpful when you wish to move, delete, or apply specific actions to the entire row set quickly and accurately. And there you have it, your guide to selecting all on Smartsheet. By mastering these steps, you not only increase your efficiency, but also reduce the likelihood of errors in managing your data. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to repeat these actions until they become second nature. Thank you for tuning in and happy Smartsheet managing. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.